I now find out that is my child, and it bothers me that he has a mental issue because of this whole situation. That fucking bothers me. That's what I care about. I don't care what Munzel want to have with him. I don't care how Flexx feel about Foota after today. I don't give a fuck, dog. I care about the youth. The youth. And him issues where I go through. And him emptiness for now have a father. All these years. That's what me care about. Me want to do what me can do now to make him feel comforted as saying him have a father and the madness stops up. Me can hear the doctor say he's doing better. And that me want to hear. Me no want to hear one run down. Me no want to kill a Flexx. Me no kill my friend them.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, run away train.
Who take away who for woman? Who am I who for pitney? Those were the questions being asked. But not to worry, in today's video, we have the answers for now. Now, there has been rumors circulating in the rumor mill called social media that dancehall DJ Flexx has been taking care of a child for years under the impression that he was the biological father. Then, rumors started to circulate that a DNA test has been done. The results is in. Dancehall selector Foota Hype is the biological father. Now, when those rumors first started to circulate, Foota Hype kept quiet about the situation. But just yesterday, Foota Hype took to his social media platform and addressed the whole saga. But in his address, Foota Hype made sure to point out that his major concern is the fact that the child's image should have never been uploaded to social media. Now that's what me agree with personally. However, Foota Hype did not stop there. Foota Hype went on to explain how the saga all began and how it got to this point. Make we jump in and take a listen to what Foota Hype explains. But before that, if this is your very first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. So once you upload a video, you will get notified. Come go hear what Foota say.
It's out in the air now. Everybody know. Say there's a situation going on where involve Foota Hype and Flexx, right? And it also involves Munzel, which me not understand how Munzel so involved, you know. But me know, me not fit say me not know, me know, cause homeboy make sure I go live, cause him not really want to go live. You understand what I say? Kind of want to look like a man and bash a woman, and then the woman them got take side with the woman and in sympathy with the woman. You understand? So, me understand. It's a strategy. So you send Munzel to do all of the talking, and then nobody can bash you and people in sympathy with you, and you are now the victim. Right? That's how it goes, right? Because remember, you're dealing with somebody very smart here. You're dealing with somebody with a very high IQ. Now me not really have to go through all of them something there to make nobody come go live for me and talk on behalf of me. I can speak on behalf of myself. Because I'm my own big man. And I can own up to anything what me do or anything what me have to deal with. Me a man. Me a no girl. Me a no a little slut bag where I do on corner, and you understand? Now my thing is, I don't have to come on here and be aggressive and style nobody and not cuss nobody here. No, the youth are 13 actually. People remember say Munzel don't really know the full story. You know? Munzel just a reason based on behalf of where Flexx tell her. See? So she don't really know. The youth are 13. See? Him gonna be 14 in July. See? So if you really want to have a great life still, you know, you can ask Flexx to join the live, you know. And the two of we just talk and hear out everything publicly since them want to take it there. Because notice I never me go live and me do that. But if them want to take it there and hear out everything and get the public involved, because I never want it to come public because of the child. Because there's a child involved. And the little boy right now has been going through, him have a therapist so him have to talk to every day upon the phone. You understand what I say? Him have anxiety because of the whole situation. You understand? Him not handle it well. For years now him a go therapy. And I don't hear them talk about that. Now my thing is this. I just want to pay attention to what I say. And don't just laugh and skin in the teeth, because it's not a laughing matter. It's a very serious issue. I would have wished if me not have to talk about it, but because I am a public person and I address different issues, so I have to address this now. Munzel has been going live for a couple of days well now, see? And I say she attack, but no, me have a key, man. Yeah, bring it come for me. Like it turn on the music, I don't want to hear it another something. See? So, as I say, I really never want to address this. See? So, I am going to address it now. The youth is going through mental disruptions because of the whole situation. See? Munzel, where me done with Munzel for now. See? Finish. Munzel, me now wish no bad fear, not at all, but me, where I am concerned, finish with Munzel. If you have a problem with the mother, for whatever reasons, because I don't want to get in all of them something. Because I can get in a whole lot of things, but me not get into that. You and the mother say you have a problem. The mother always throw you up on pink wall and things. See? Okay. So you are glad for the opportunity, so you know the information you know. So you can run up on the internet. And this the mother. Up to now, you have not posted the mother picture. You should have posted the mother picture and leave the child picture out of it. You can post my picture, you can post the mother picture, and you can post Flexx picture if you want. Anybody. See? But how can you post the child picture? That's all me business, boy, you know. That are my concern with what you do wrong in a Munzel. Because if a mother style you and put up on a pink wall, you have a clot or blood clot. If I so be the case. You understand what I say? So, me not have a problem with that. But you shouldn't post the little juvenile. You understand? I hurt over that. See? Me vex about that. See? Come in come here so say who can trace more or who can say the most derogatory things about the other person. See? So, this or now, when you put up the youth and you press this gas, you go up on your live, 2 times, no problem. You have vent. You gone over lava and you have vent, no problem. Because you're supposed to vent, because if you style you and you get back a one up on a girl, you style her back. But you gone over lava and put up the youth picture too. All know you don't put up the woman where you have a problem with. If you want to put up the mother 1,000,000 times in a business, you understand what I say? You're supposed to do that. You understand? Leave the little boy outside. You don't know what the little boy is facing. He must have got therapist every day. Every day in the therapy. Every day upon him phone. You understand? Every single day. So, this or now, me done. Munzel and me can't be a friend again. You understand what I'm saying? So, that is that. That I eat this. She not fully know the full story neither. If I go up on Instagram and I say she explain situation and she know what's going on because she don't know what's going on. You understand what I'm saying? Now, Flexx on the other hand, they all over the place act like a victim, right? If we are going to be victim, Flexx, we are both victims. See? We are both victims. And would I love if you can join the live, because I don't really want to start talk without you there. Because I don't like talk behind people back, you know. Yeah? I don't like talk behind people back. I like talk in front of people and say the thing them and you say what you have to say. You understand what I say? Because you're not the victim, Flexx. You're just sipping your own medicine and it tastes so bad that you'll be angry. You know if you be angry. When the thing happened to me never angry. I was still your friend. Me and your par every day. Me never show you a bad face one day yet. Me never angry about what you do. Me never angry about what you do. Everybody has say Foota, you're wicked. Everybody has say Foota, you're... Una hear me good? Una listen me good? Everybody has say Foota, you're wicked. You fuck your friend baby mother. You this, you that. You should when the man gone on tour, you fuck the man baby mother. Like seriously? Una fi ask. That's why I'm saying Munzel fi talk and him not talk. Una fi tag Flexx and ask Flexx, say, how did you know this girl? Where you and this girl met? How did you see this girl in your physical? If you know, say you're gonna look that girl and get that girl and she become your girlfriend. Ask Flexx that. Ask Flexx, how did you know this girl? Which part you meet? Where you meet that girl? Just ask him that. And the story done. Just ask him that. Movado know the truth. Predator know the truth. Kibaki know the truth. Flexx know the truth. Foota Hype know the truth. Mario C know the truth. So, no run come on social media. I try to be a victim and I use disrespectful word. Batty boy, Foota Hype, pussy put. You cannot bad me up, Flexx. Not in Jamaica, not in America, not in heaven, not in hell, nowhere. You are not a bad man, Flexx. And you're a friend. We obviously know me and a friend. But I would never use violence against him. I am not a friend killer. I am not somebody who hurt my friend them. Zine, me will never do physical harm to my friend them or let me you cut off. So you need to calm down, take a chill pill. You have to hurt, you know. You have to hurt. Me a human, you a human, you have to hurt. But you must speak the truth. Tell the people them say, a Foota Hype girl when bring a studio. And when me in the studio, you look her behind my back, on the exchange number and start linking, me never know. You understand what I'm saying to you? Tell the people them say me I meet the girl with. Me carry a studio around a Sharon Burke. And I saw you meet her, I saw Predator meet her, I saw Kibaki meet her, I saw, well, my father know a long time, because my father live a peace. But I saw the whole of them man, they meet her. Tell the people them, no man. There was me look a teenage love affair with the girl when me love her and say, yes, I'm a girl, this. And me and her par every day, take picture, hug up and kiss and them something there, but me never have sex with her yet. Me there yard every day. She come on my yard, me go off here yard, her whole family know me. One day she asked me, say, can I come to the studio? Me think about it, you know. And me always hear man, I said, don't bring your woman to the studio, you know. Me bring her to the studio. Every man say, ah, blood clot, where you get that girl here? Them time that she just come from foreign summer holiday. Now, me tell the story then. Since you act like, say, Foota do you something bad, and now tell the people them say your own karma catch you. So, me carry her to the studio. Thick, flat belly, have a little nameplate chain, you know them time there. Had a little nameplate chain I wear, and she have on her ring them on her finger, clean in her fat farm tights and her fat farm blouse and thing. Zine? So, when me gone in the studio or up and down, I don't know what me are doing in the studio or what. Them obviously make connection. Him and I must exchange number. Me no know. Me come out, take her back home. She there yard, me gone to my yard. Me no know nothing. Me I go studio every day. Flexx know say him a hide behind my back and look the girl. Every man know. Me no know. Them time them I wear my little jaw-foot slippers. I'm one little FUBU pants. Me not have nothing much. Me and I live in the same community. I'm a little young love. Me I say I love that girl, yeah. And you don't know she fly in and fly out in our community. So you know I look at as every man I watch it, she thick. Belly flat. Sexy, clean little girl, you know. So couple weeks pass. Why not listen, you know? Cause we just a reason. No, that's what you want for everybody find out who is Flexx, and that's why I'm gonna run down the Instagram. So let's go. Right? One evening, about 6 to 7 o'clock, Zine, about 6 to 7 o'clock, because I usually go down our yard them time there. If you all know, you have the Shell gas station on Munzel Road, and in front of this you have a yard named 60. So a whole heap of different yard in the yard. So when you go through the first gate, you have a house right at the front there, so then you have to walk around the side and go around at the back of the yard, and around there so she live with her family them. So when we go through the first gate now, see, remember me no know nothing, say she and Flexx exchange number, you know. See, nothing. Me no know say them a deal, nothing at all. Me innocent to the fact, me just have her as my little girlfriend, and me love her, and every evening I'm a point of duty to go look for her, and we chat and run joke, and me and her family them talk, a beer thing, everything. All of me used to watch election them time they run our yard, we beat pot cover, be excited. I go through the first gate now. When I go through the first gate, me see she bend down and Flexx over her like them a fight. So me stand up there, look on them, and me see like him a give her some little punch. And she say, no, leave me alone, stop right. And me I say, I wonder, oh this, like, me shock. Me shock out of this world. Zine, and me look on him and me say, yo, what you do? With an aggressive tone, cause I'm a girl. Oh, you reach your Sophia, hold me girl neck and that. But me I say, yo, what? And the man let her go, turn around to me. She stand up there, look out of space, so. And him turn around and said to me, say, dog, Foota, you're my brother, and you're a friend for life. But guess what? You and her attack, but I'm me a fuck her in her hole. See? That's what he said. I remember it like yesterday. Him said, you and her attack, but I'm me a fuck her in her hole. Same way so ram play now. Disrespectfully. Same way so him said. And when I look on her, me see say she guilty for true. She never say nothing. She never say yeah true or nothing. But just look on her and she say she guilty. So guess what I do now? I just cut. Deal it like a soldier and cut. Left him and her stand up same place and cut. Zine, hear why this happened now. At the time, Foota Hype was just a regular youth. I try and make it just a regular youth in the ghetto and on this music here. At the time, Flexx and my brother were rich. Zine, can we have give the story now since them want to give story, you know. Zine, Flexx and my brother were rich. Now I go call him name. Zine, them have a rental car company around. Zine, so them have RAV4, them have Under Inspire like a bounty killer, they have a black one. Them have the 100 Corolla them when them just come out. About 6 car them have. Flexx change car every day. Them kind of head hardy are wear. Flexx have every kind of head hardy. Every kind of shoes, jeans, everything. Life good. Them buy a big house around a Charlton. Thing look good. So it's like our family them too apart for blame, because at the time them I say me can't help her. You understand? So Flexx look like the more probable candidate where look better for her. So them help influence her too. But remember all of this, me never know. Flexx never come to me and say, yo brother, you know, say, when the cat come in the studio where they me and I exchange number we attack, and she tell me say, yeah, nah, I just attack, couldn't not there. And me like her, you know. Me and her I make a link. Him never say that. I buck them up, you know. See? So I come so boom, and I hold it like a soldier, go me yard, hurt like a dog, bend. By the end of the day, I said to myself, Zine, I said to myself, calm down, Uncle Twitch, calm down. So, me said to myself, see, say, Foota, him no rape her. She never tell you, say, she and him exchange number and I call one another on a deal. So, what you hate your friend for? So, me not hate my friend. The next day, me there studio. Me and Flexx apart, see me. Kibaki, Predator, Movado, everybody with that part still apart. Not change. Me hold it like a coat. But me done with the girl. Me decide say, you girl, me not want to see you. See? Me hold it. Only ever hear me talk this yet out of my life. Me and Flexx apart for the next 15 years. And me never one day angry yet. Regular him carry road. The whole way apart. We in the same car. She and him there front seat, me there back. Everybody apart. She and him good then now. Me out of the thing. But me now use her. Me and our brother named Crimis apart. And the singer. Because me and mother and Crimis used to take on the road at one point. So every day she know where me there. You see me? Everywhere she know where me there. Brother, as she start come on me yard. As she start follow me up. Come in, me done with her, you know. One morning, killer filler. Me don't have no reason for telling a lie. I don't know, come here a discriminate her, a destroy. I not try discriminate she. I not try discriminate Flexx. I not try hurt the little boy feelings. But since them a make it look like Foota is this wicked person and Munzel speak of what she don't know, I have to come forward now as the viral god and speak. Flexx violate the friend code from the beginning. Me done with this girl. Now PR no mind. See, me never ask, make him come live now, make him join the live. And ask him if me and him ever even have a conversation after me see him and her. Both him and her. Alright, see my brother there tell us, I remember one night she come up a yard. Me wake up one day and come out of my yard and see her and my mother outside attack. All of me around her from the gate, she say, nobody go on some man and eat me and rare and one bag of things she tell me. Me never even pursue her, cause we know a girl is thing go. If you and a girl attack and you slow up on your action to get the pussy and the next man look it and get the pussy, God go with you. The reason why this happened, she was peer pressured into being with Flexx, but she really loved me. Although I never get the pussy yet. Them time then. So our people them are pushing her head say, look a girl, if you have ambition, look people who can help you. Foota not have nothing. Foota live up on the gully, you can't take era man, everything them tell her. But her heart, they over my side. What me if you do? So me, people, I gotta tell you the truth. Me and the girl end up have sex till about 1 year after me see she and Flexx. Or maybe more. 1 year or more after me see she and Flexx before me and her have sex. You understand what I say? Yeah. So when him a come make it look like him is a victim and Foota evil and Foota fuck him girl, tell the people them say it was never your girl. You see me and her red eye for and look her behind my back. So you set up your own karma. Your karma just come 13 or 15 years after. And me. And slow, you know. Me really in love with her, infatuated with her. Cause me really that feelings for her. You understand? So me never have pressure for the pussy. Me sleep all her yard and never fuck it. Me and her never have no sex. More than want me there yard straight. Everybody in our family know me. No, me never know the child of mine. I could get to that party I know. Anyway, years span top of years and me I hold the secret. Zine, if you look now, you can look back on the story. If Foota Hype is a man who love mix up, right? And Foota is a gossip man. And I was the laughing stock of the studio. Zine? Anytime me a card nobody at the studio, ask Movado, ask Kibaki, ask Predator, ask Rakila, ask Terror Kid, rest in peace, ask any one of them. When me start card people and I win the card in, the man them just go to the back. Remember Flexx take away your girl and I'm dead. And me can't argue with nobody. But at the time, me I hold the secret. Cause me not throw her under the bus. Me I hold out. And me bear that for years. Don't do what the Predator go live him say. Me know why Foota not like me. True Flexx take away him girl. And me could have ball it out. Me could have say I'm here. You take away the girl who a fuck it now a rare. Me never do that. Cause Flexx is my real friend. Flexx is my real friend. If you want to have attitude now and say Foota and them friend, Flexx is my real friend. Movado was my real friend. Predator was my real meanest friend me ever have in my life. Kibaki my real friend. These people are people who are my real friend. See? The man say me shouldn't bother fuck it. Make she go and brother she not allow me. He come like a deaf. And me a go for your yard, and she a come on my yard. And she a link my mother, and she a come on my yard. Me a sleep when me wake up, she outside. What the fuck you talk about? See? So, me and her do a thing, and me a hold it. Me never show me that Flexx a bad face yet. Never ever. A Flexx teach me for driving up people. People. Me can never forget say a Flexx teach me for drive. But when him go live, when I ask him, how you end up teach Foota for drive? I show you the level of friendship we have. And I just choose them I go live and I do them thing and make me I go talk them something. See? Or somebody say me not real. See? So if me not real, Flexx worse than a real. See? So I go say bam. How me start learning to drive now? You know? A studio, the same studio when me carry she and him meet her and all of these things. Then the studio me there and sit down on the bench and him come around, nobody else not there for drive and him say, Foota, you have to drive camera around our doctor here. I say, doctor, me can't drive? That time I have a Mark II, right? They have Mark II too. And then the fat patty Mark II, they run the place, they have one of that too. Zine? So I come to boom now and say, me can't drive. Me not take on the work there. And him say, nah man, me tell you what to do man. So me say, why you not drive? And him say, him have gonorrhea till him feel pain. Him have it weeks or days. So since you want to talk, make we talk. I saw me learn to drive. And I like you see me and say, yo, Foota, you have to know to drive, you know. Come learn to drive. You couldn't drive. Because the gonorrhea gets so wicked, you couldn't drive. You can't even walk properly. So make we talk. Since you want to talk, it's up with them. And you send Munzel go talk what she don't know. Munzel nothing in it because she don't know half our friendship. And me drive because you got the doctor. Now so me a drive and you tell me, say, come over the side there more. Now you must shut the car. Yo, Foota, stay up on the side there, man. You stay closer to the wall. I saw me learn to drive. I saw me learn to drive. I'm gonna really make you teach me to drive. I don't care about Foota and say, make Foota learn to drive. Me just talk the truth now, because I don't want me go public. I don't want me go public, I don't press feed. 3 days now, Munzel go live. So my time to go live. I mean, I go address Munzel either because the situation I have nothing to do with her. She need to leave it alone. This have to do with me, Flexx, and the girl. You see me? So, would I like Flexx join the live and we go the tour with on live one time and we speak the story them. Because since you want to go public, remember sick you sick. I mean, I don't know what kind of man have gonorrhea till you can't walk. Because by you have gonorrhea within 1 to 3 days, you start see little things say something alright. And you couldn't walk. You couldn't drive. You didn't have strength to drive. To the pain and lick you so you end up teach me to drive. One gold Mark II when you did have, come tell the people them if I lie me I tell no man. Come tell the people them if I lie me I tell. I saw you end up start driving and that time there, you're there with the girl right through. Them time them didn't even start fuck it yet. Me and I start fuck it. I mean yeah, it's still friend. So although you violate me and violate the girl code, me never have you up. Me never hate you. Me never hate you, brother. Me never try hurt you. Me never try show you no bad face. Me try in every way to make you make it. And me carry go Marius T studio. When Predator tell me say no why you around there. Come to make we talk to something them now, cause me never really want to do this, you know. But now make it look like me's a fake friend. Brother, your own karma catch you. When Marius C link me and say, listen, Foota, I want to start a record label. I want to start with some new artists. Predator there already. I want you bring me some artists. Me say, me have my team, you know. A Kibaki, Flexx, and Singing Blacks. Cause them tell them the name of her yet. Singing Blacks. Marius C said, bring them in. Predator said, no! Can't put Predator on the live too. Predator said, no! I said, I bring Ragabee too. The man said, I don't want no artist so I know around here. Where you bring Flexx around here from? I don't want Flexx around here, I don't want Ragabee around here. That the man said. And I have witnesses for this thing. I said, listen me. Once me involved, Flexx, Kibaki, Movado, Afi be a part of where me a deal with. I saw the end up on Marius C. Come talk the truth no man. Come tell the people them no. Since you say me a pussy old friend. And you start the betrayal of friendship. You started. Talk no man. You want me to talk more things, brother? You want me to talk more things? Remember Foota Hype, you know? And me set the thing, you know? Nobody can tell me history. Munzel never involved. Munzel just attack what you tell her based on the situation in and now. But don't, me never want to do this, brother. Me never want to do this. So stop come going like you're a victim, dog. Right now, I want to do what's best for the youth. And what's best for the youth, I do the DNA. I'm going to find out say I'm my youth. I'm going to dead as him father. The youth come spend 3 weeks with me one day. I don't even want to get into all of that because that's our next terrible thing. You understand me? Here be people that say, oh, the man of mine, your youth for 13 years. We don't want to get into that. But me just say, stop act like you're a victim, man. You understand? And you set the pace. Okay? Zine? Remember say when me do the DNA people me know about youth about 2 years now. Zine? When me do the DNA, Zine? No, Tommy, listen why me can't leave it like when me say me would. Remember me tell you that Tommy say me nah gonna say nothing about it and I'm going to leave it alone. But when this girl, I go up on her live and I feel satisfied and then I go over lava and I press this gas here and she don't know nothing. Remember say when me do the DNA, you know, Zine? When me do the DNA and find out say, first thing, the lady say she need closer because she has see some traits in the youth where remind her of me. So when she called me, I say, what the fuck this here come with? Because I never have no idea, I have the least clue about that. Remember say a Ocean and a Dory alone me know about. Me not have this none at all. Say this youth, there's a possibility say the youth of mine nah nothing. Cause me not hide my youth them. Me not have time for that. See? No, carry it off it happen. You know what have happen Royal Entertainment because I just want the people them understand say this man is not a victim. You understand what I say? Me not hide my youth them. Me a man believe say every one of my youth them for know each other. See? So me would have never know some my youth out there and hide my youth for 13 years without acknowledge my youth. Me not work so. And also Foota Hype work. When the youth about 11, his mother linked me. And when she said, she tell me a couple times before that she have something to tell me, for reason with me about. I'm like she afraid. So when she comes over and link me now, and she break the news and say, you know, she have a feeling like it might be my youth, but she She undecided. Like how Shensia say undecided. Yeah, she undecided. So she said she want to do a DNA. So me I say, me never hide it for 2 years. Listen to the story. Shanila, or what your name? Because I don't want to come over here on behalf of the opposing side. Me not depend on no side, me depend on the youth side. Me just make them know say. And everything as how it look as how it seem. Zin? So I come to boom and I tell her, I say, yeah, me not no problem, me do the DNA. So she say, if you send the money to pay for the DNA, I say, me not pay for the DNA. Me pay half of the money for the DNA. And you pay half. Because me not sure about this, me don't know where this a come from. So, enough of the time I go to New York, I would go for like today, the show, or tomorrow, and then the next day I'm out. So she kind of start get away and I cuss with me, think me no want to do it. You understand? So, I go to a man, we finally finalize a date. She end up having to lie to the youth, because, remember, you know, at the end of the day, she fuck up, but she a human being. Zin? And she want to do the right thing. You understand me? So she want to do the right thing. So she comes to a woman and she tell the youth that she might go a dentist appointment. Because the way she shame, she don't want to tell the youth don't have this money as him father over the years. The man never ever know me and know of me yet. You understand me I say? Never know of me yet in his life. So she can't tell him say, yeah, I do a DNA with this man if I see if I your father. See? So I go to a boom and we go there and them I say a dentist appointment and them swab the youth and swab me and everything and do what them do. Me pay her for the money, she pay her for the money. It come back, say, it 99% positive, say, me are the father. See? Boom. From there, so, I start calling you a little bit. You know, I said to her, before we left out of the place, I said to her, I said, my girl, you have to tell the man. See? I say, you have to tell the man. I swear upon my mother's soul right or so. The woman say, she would have tell him, but she know say, him a go on with one bag of thing and go up on internet and try tear her down on the internet. She afraid. I say you cannot afraid. Because if it happen, if you tell him no, or you tell him 10 years from now, the backlash and the drama go forward same way. So tell the man no. She afraid to tell the man. See? Me come back on my yard. Every time me call, me want on Father's Day, me want post the youth. Me want put it out there say I'm my youth. But me have to give her the respect as a female. She supposed to tell the man. You understand what I say? So every time, me and Anna talk right now, but of course Munzel don't know that, and of course Flexx don't know that. I don't talk to her because of Flexx. Because me I tell her to fucking tell the man, and she afraid to fucking tell the man because of Instagram backlash. Lock it no. Kim no. Couple people close to me now, because me tell them I can't keep it. I'm pissed off with the mother. Because if you tell him, but she a live in a fear because of the same public platform. Because of this public platform, she afraid. Same thing she run from, she said she know him I got blast up on the internet and bag of thing. And me I say, but whether you fear that or not, it a go happen. So you need to break the ice and tell the man. I saw me and I no deal even right now. And it still come out. I tell her a long time. I hear from the shout, you know. Half of the street, you know. So the third pick me off a Flexx too, you know. So me I say, my girl, how can you say the man never take care of the two who supposedly be feed? But you go breed feed my third time? Oh, that makes sense. So he's a big idiot girl. And she say me a style and cut her off. Me not deal with her. Me just call the youth. You understand? So, the youth, one day, me I post all of my pitney them. I post Oshan, I post Adori, and I post the one at Jamaica women that do the DNA for yet, her name here. Be people ask me, where the next one? Where the next one? You think me not want to post the youth? Me did want to post the youth, but me can't post the youth because the mother in a turmoil. She don't know what to do. She don't know if him a go hurt her. Them have a very physical relationship. She don't know what him a go do that. You understand? She don't know what him a go do. So she afraid that. And me I tell her, say, you can't fish. She say, alright. So why you not tell him? Me I say, it's not my responsibility to tell him. Because me never even know say the youth of mine. For 11 years, me don't know say the youth of mine. Are you as the person will fuck up if tell the man? And tell me if me wrong, as she's supposed to do that. As she to call him man and tell him that. So on Father's Day, I call to talk to the youth. And she tell me, say, Flexx the door over there. So me I say to her, I say, so you not tell the man? She said, no. So me say, so oh you have the man a come there to the youth on Father's Day and me a call on Father's Day. This not make no blood clot sense. Tell the man. And she never tell him. I'm pissed off with her. So when him know and Munzel know, for them whole topic is Foota Hype. And a Foota Hype are the topic, Flexx. Is the girl is the topic. She play you and she play me. So when you are trying for me in this big argument and make it look like you're a Foota enemy and like you want to take it to a badness level where you can't even want near me to a nail in a badness. Me not depend on that, brother. Positive energy me I deal with. The most important thing are the youth. Me not hear you cuss out the girl. Me not see Munzel put up the girl picture and leave the youth out of it. And me you don't want to worry because I me have the at name. So what you want to know? Foota go live and it go viral and you do a song and get a career out of this. Me not look no career out of it. The youth have mental issues because of this situation. It's serious. It's serious, my youth. This is not run down the hype thing and come on Instagram and who have the best talk on Instagram. The youth have mental issues. And if you pay attention, you don't know say him go therapy every day upon him phone. Every single day. The youth got therapy every day with a doctor. Proper doctor with dealing with mental issues. So when I look for me now deal with me now run down no cloud on Instagram, he's my child. I now find out that he's my child and it bothers me that he has a mental issue because of this whole situation. That fucking bothers me. That's what I care about. I don't care what Munzel want to have with him. I don't care how Flexx feel about Foota after today. I don't give a fuck, dog. I care about the youth. The youth. And him issues where I go through. And him emptiness for now have a father. All these years. That's what me care about. Me want to do what me can do now to make him feel comforted as saying him have a father and the madness stops up. Me can hear the doctor say he's doing better. And that me want to hear. Me no want to hear one I run down. Me no want to kill a Flexx. Me no kill my friend them. Me no want to see a warrior. Me no do that something there. You cannot war me. It's impossible. For me even think for warriors will be a madness. You understand? So when me want you for do my youth, just you know say I know you're youth now. So I less pressure upon you now. And you move on. You need to check out the next two youth. Cause you in your head feel like say the next two youth might be mine. The next two youth can't be mine. Cause me and I are never sexually active during none of them time there. You understand what I say, brother? So me can clear the air with that. The next two youth are not mine. There's no possibility that they are mine. So you need to go do DNA for them two youth there. And any other youth you have. All me need for the DNA for the whole of my youth them too. Me the DNA for him already, so me sure say him and my youth. Me need for the DNA for all of my youth them. And that's something for me laugh off of you. And that's something for me run with and say me a style Flexx. And that kind of something there, brother. This is a real situation and it's a real issues, dog. You understand what I say? This is a real situation. And the youth involved, that's all my care about, you know. You understand? That's all me care about. And nobody not tell me if to stop. Me I talk now. It's issues that we have to talk about. And since them go public with it, I can't talk. Zine, I care about the youth, and I youth alone my business. But I can't go in a whole heap of something, you know. A Foota Hype this, you know. Flexx them know me know them. Them know my story, me know for them story. I can go in a whole party, but I'm not interested in that. I just want one of us stop, put up the youth picture, and I play a victim, and I abuse the youth on social media. Me not have a problem if I put up my picture. This is why I come live. This is the real reason why I come live. Stop, put up the youth picture, dog. Stop, put up the youth picture. Put up Foota picture all you know want. Put up the mother picture all you know want. Put up Flexx picture all you know want. Stop, put up the youth picture, dog. The youth have to live a life, he have to go to school, he have to go out there in the public space, Bridget. Stop do that, dog. Stop do that, dog. Stop it. That may have a problem with that. Stop do that, dog. Don't put up the youth picture, dog. And Munzel is wrong for that, dog. And for that, I'm not deal with it for the rest of my life, B. I tell you straight up, everything else what you do, I don't care about. You putting up the kid picture, dog, that shit is below the belt, and it's not me you're hurting. You're not hurting the mother, you're hurting the innocent little youth. And that shit hurt me. That hurt me. That, nothing else not hurt me. I could have cared less if Flexx want to chat to me for the rest of my life. That is not my business. I could have cared less if Munzel want to chat to me for the rest of my life. And that's my business, that. The youth where you put up, my girl, you don't have a chick or a child. You don't know what it feels like when your kid cannot sleep because of issues in the head. Because of what people just do. You don't know what it feels like for give birth, Munzel. Stop. You shouldn't do that. Do not put up the youth. Remember now some straight pitney this now. I know I'm my youth. Right now with them, me with dead for him. Because I'm a son. I don't care how it happen or wish way it happen. I'm a son. Me with dead for him. That's all me I saying to that. Stop, put up me youth. Talk anything about me. Diss me anyhow you want diss me. Say anything you want to say about Foota. Do not put up the youth on the social media, my girl. That's all. Big up on yourself.
Alright, so here with the viral thing said. Now, I don't know what I normally do already when it comes to certain topics. I don't have nothing to add on, nothing to take away. I just have to leave it right here so until Uno talk to me down in the comment section when me hear our phone views on this whole situation. But guess what? I have Flexx's response to what Foota Hype said coming right up. Watch out. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely, if this is your first time here, please consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. So once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.